Clever boy. Clever boy, Joey. What have you got? The remote. And helping Mummy put all this horrible washing away. Got a bit behind as we've been sick, haven't we, Joey? You're going to stand up on it. You're too tall to stand up against that. Hello, rat bag. You're going to fall, aren't you? Got no idea. Jojo, you going to say hello? Joey? Joseph? You're not going to look at the camera for me. Right then, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.